Welcome all. I hope last class introductory part of life process you understood. Now we are going to deal with the life process one by one, whatever given in the textbook. Okay. So first one is nutrition. Nutrition comes from a word nutrient. Okay, so what is nutrient? Nutrient is something which we are getting from the surrounding to get energy. So nutrition means process of taking something and having that content for our energy, for our usage in various processes. That is what nutrition is. Okay, so nutrition can be of two types. It can be of two types, that is autotrophic and heterotrophic. Autotrophic and heterotrophic. Now auto means self preparation. That means something or somebody which is preparing for its own or by its own, they are called autotrophic, especially plants. They do the photosynthesis, they do the food preparation by themselves. They are not depending on others. Okay, so what is photosynthesis? I already made a video for that. Photosynthesis is the process of making preparation of food by the plants by using carbon dioxide, water, sunlight and chlorophyll. So these type of organisms which prepare their own food are called autotrophic. There are blue green algae, cyanobacteria, which has the green color chlorophyll. So those who have this chlorophyll, they can prepare their own food process, that is photosynthesis. Okay, so autotrophic. Now photosynthesis, how it takes place. I already told you the ingredients: carbon dioxide, water, chlorophyll, and sunlight. So, what is the formula or what is the equation for photosynthesis? 6CO2 plus 12H2O in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll gives you C6H12O6, that is carbohydrate, glucose, plus oxygen plus water. So this is the equation. You should be thorough with it. Okay, 6CO2 plus 12H2O gives C6H12O6 plus 6O2 plus 6H2O. Dear students, this is a chlorophyllated leaf. Okay, now this is the upper surface, this is the back portion. Okay, see, I took two leaves. I already told you this is the back portion. Now, normally, the back portion consists of the stomata. Okay, stomata is a small pore which is present on the lower side of the leaf, lower epidermis, meant for gaseous exchange, right? So this surface where you can see the veins and all, right? And this is the upper surface. Now it is present on the lower surface so that to prevent the transpiration, loss of water. Transpiration is loss of water. That is why it is like this, because sun is, this part is facing towards sun, so more what water will be lost. Okay, that is why more stomata, they are concentrated on the lower surface. So this leaf, you can see it is fully green. Now coming to this part, you can see there are chlorophyll regions and there are yellow patch where chlorophyll are absent. So when we are taking this for starch test, so you can see when we are treating with iodine solution, this part where the yellow colors are there, that part will not show blue black color. Always remember, when we are testing with iodine solution, the place where blue black color is coming, that part contains starch. That means that area has chlorophyll which undergone photosynthesis. So this part will not result in blue black color while reacting with iodine. So this is a croton plant. So whole plant consists of different pigments. Chlorophyll is there, xanthophyll is there. So this part which is green contains the chlorophyll and this is fully chlorophyllated, right? So when we test this leaf with iodine, the whole portion will give blue black color. That experiment was shown in your textbook. Okay, so I hope now you understood. Now if we go for internal structure of a leaf, you can see this is the upper epidermis which has the waxy cuticle, and these are palisade cells and these are spongy cells. These are air spaces which is present in the leaf, and this portion is a stomata surrounded by two guard cells. Normally we used to draw like this the stomata. Okay, so these two are guard cells. So this is the internal structure where you can see chloroplasts are present on both palisade and spongy tissues. This is how when we take the cross section of the leaf where the photosynthesis is taking place. Now this is the stomata. Okay, you can see from your textbook. This stomata is open. Now remember, during daytime only photosynthesis takes place because sunlight is necessary. So that time what happens? The root absorbs water, and each cell through the process of passing from one cell to another cell through diffusion, uh, and it passes to the guard cells. When guard cells the water enters, it gets swollen up, so it will stretch the two walls outside, so that will make the stomatal pore open, and where gaseous exchange takes place, that is carbon dioxide is coming inside and oxygen is giving out. Okay, now during night time, because sunlight is not there, the stomata will be closed, and normal respiration is taking place by the plants also, like us. They are also taking oxygen, giving out carbon dioxide. In the night time it will be more because sunlight is not there for photosynthesis. So stomata is opened and closed because of the entry of water inside the guard cells. This experiment is meant for showing that whether carbon dioxide is important for plant to grow or not. Okay, in one we are taking two potted plants and we are just covering it with a bell jar and keeping in one potted plant potassium hydroxide, and another one nothing is there. This potassium hydroxide, after some time you will see this leaves are all dull and they are not very vibrant active like this one. Okay, you can see like that. Now what happens is potassium hydroxide absorbs whatever the carbon dioxide is given out by this plant, so it is not getting the carbon dioxide for photosynthesis, and here nothing is related like that. So carbon dioxide it is getting and it is doing normal photosynthesis. So here the duty is, or the function of potassium hydroxide is, it is absorbing carbon dioxide whatever is released by the plant, which shows that the dull nature of the plant shows that carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis. A small note regarding inorganic and organic nutrients. Inorganic nutrients, especially the minerals, carbon dioxide, iron, copper, zinc, the elements which required. Organic are which is made from the plants and animals, right? Okay, a short note is there. Please note it down.